Hey, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and welcome to my beauty life. Today's video is going to be my March BoxyLuxe unboxing, and full disclosure, I have already opened the box and have gotten into all the goodies, but I thought I would still share them with you. If you're not familiar with BoxyLuxe, it is quarterly from Boxycharm, and it is $49.99, I believe, every 3 months. Box looks like this, and there are a ton of full-size items in here. And let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first out of the box is the card that comes in every box. The theme this month is La Vie en Rose. And on the back, we have all the information about the items. So first thing out is this beautiful rose gold makeup case, which you can never have too many of those. What is this right here? And tons of room inside. So perfect for traveling. And this is the Boxycharm Traincase. Another perk of being a charmer, exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is chic, spacious, and perfect for every charmer that has to take their glam on the go. And it has a value of $20, so that's really nice. Next up is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Now, I'm a little disappointed about this because we received the medium deep and we should have gotten the light to medium. We did get an email saying that there was an error, that people got the wrong colors and that they were depositing charms into our account. So I think that we'll be able to make this work. It may be a little dark, but we can definitely give it a try. Everything is super pigmented. This is the contour and the blush. And this is what it looks like. The pigmentation is phenomenal. And this is what they are calling a brightener, which I would use as a highlight right here. The formula is fantastic. The colors are beautiful. We maybe can make them work or use them as eyeshadows, but I really do wish that we would have gotten the correct color. And the retail price of this is $45. So the box is $49.99. This is already almost paid for the whole box. Then we got something that I am very excited about as well. This is the Morphie Palette 15B Brunch Babe. And I had seen some previews of the palettes that were available, and this was one of the ones that I was hoping for. So they kind of redeemed themselves a little bit with this one. And let's see, let me get some swatches. This color is Bellini, and I love that color. Just a beautiful peach. Let's see. And look at that beautiful pink. That one is Parfait. So definitely gonna be enjoying this for quite some time. And the colors are just beautiful. These are definitely colors that I will use, and I'm really happy that I got this one. And that palette has a retail price of $16. Then another exciting thing, everything in this box was great. Everything was great. Is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. Excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof metallic handle. And they just look really pretty. And this is what they look like. So you can never have too many brushes, and I am very excited to give those both a try. Retail value for the double set, $29.99. So we're way over the cost. Then we have these really pretty Lilly lashes, and these are limited edition lashes. Exclusive Faux Mink Gaia lashes, Gala lashes, Gaia lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition Faux Mink Gaia pair of Lilly lashes. Wing style, cruelty-free, and can be used up to 20 wears. I don't wear false lashes very often, but Megan does, so she definitely will be using those, and their retail price is $24.99. This is a product that's new to me, a brand that's new to me, Iconic, and this is an eyebrow cushion, and I actually just saw this brand being carried now in our local Sephora. So I was excited when I got this in the Boxycharm, and it's got this really pretty gold packaging, which shows you everything behind me. And this is what it looks like inside. This is the cushion, and we haven't peeled it off yet, so I'm gonna leave it as is, but I love this packaging, and I think this is gonna be great. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. And this has a retail price of $40. Here's one that's familiar, that I have tried before, and I am shocked that we got this in a full size. It's the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Cream. And it's what the cream looks like. Has a really clean fragrance that I love, and it's very moisturizing. I am familiar with it. I definitely will be using it, and this has a retail price of $48. So I am shocked that this is in here in a full size. Then we got these little Deborah Lippmann nail polishes. I have tried her nail polishes before. I like them very much, and if I'm being honest, I do have it on my nails today. So I did break these out and put them on. I think that the colors are beautiful. They go on nicely. They wear a long time, and I was happy to get these. The retail price on the duo is $20. So really, really nice polishes. If you haven't tried them, you should. Next up is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And I have tried several Wander Beauty products before. I loved all of them, and I am super excited about this mask. The information on the card says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. So I am really excited to try this, and I may actually put it to good use tonight for my Sunday skincare. And it's like a pearlized pink mask, and I like to try to peel it off in one sheet. It never works, but I like to give it a try. So I will definitely enjoy this one. And then last but not least in the box is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. This is the packaging, and it is in the color Scarlet. So let's check that out. I have never tried this. The packaging on the Becca lipsticks is beautiful. I have to say that. This beautiful gold packaging, and this is the color. So I don't wear too much red, but I think that this is a really pretty, it's like a, I don't know if it's like a brick like a more brick red. And it's beautiful, and it looks super pigmented. It feels creamy, and I will definitely be giving this one a try. The cost of that is $24. So this was an excellent box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. The cost of the box was $49.99. So if I add it up quickly, I think that the total value of the box is almost or just at $300, which is amazing. The brands are premium, the items are awesome, and I am so happy with this box. I think that Boxycharm gets better every month, and I think that the BoxyLuxe boxes are amazing. So if you've not tried Boxycharm, I would definitely give it a go. If you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscription button and that notification bell. Leave me any comments on what you thought of what you received. Did you receive the same things that I did? Did you receive any of the other Morphie palettes? Did you get the wrong Cover FX palette? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.